In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your invoice on Xero. First, open Xero in your web browser or the mobile app and sign in. If you manage more than one organization, make sure you've selected the right one so your payment is recorded in the correct place. Once you're in, we'll head straight to your invoices. From the main menu, navigate to the Invoices section. Depending on your layout, it may appear under Business or Sales. This area shows all your invoices at a glance, along with their current status and due dates. To make things easier, use the filters to display only unpaid or overdue invoices. You can also use the search box if you know the invoice number or customer name. Find the invoice you want to pay and open it. Take a moment to review the details. Check the items, quantities, tax, the total amount, and the due date. Confirm the currency and make sure it matches the account you plan to use. This quick review helps you avoid paying the wrong amount. Now, scroll down to the Make a Payment section on the invoice. Here, you'll complete the payment details. Enter the amount you're paying. This can be the full balance or a partial amount if you're splitting the payment. Next, set the payment date. Choose the bank account or payment method that the money is coming from, or select an approved online payment service if it's available on your invoice. Add a reference or note if you want to make reconciliation easier later. Before you proceed, double-check the figures and the account. When everything looks right, select Make a Payment to confirm. Xero will record the transaction and update the invoice status to paid or part paid. You'll see the payment appear in the invoice history, and the remaining balance, if any, will be clearly shown. If you return to pay in installments, repeat the same process until the balance reaches zero. If you don't see the Make a Payment area, the invoice may already be paid, or your user role might not have permission to add payments. In that case, check the status at the top of the invoice or contact an administrator for access. That's it. By going to Xero, heading to the Invoices section, finding the right invoice, and completing the Make a Payment fields, you can confidently pay and record invoices in just a few clicks. Pause the video and follow along in your own account to get it done today.